Why capsule elegance matters all year round. Most closets are stuffed to the brim but still leave us staring blankly, convinced we have nothing to wear. A capsule wardrobe rewrites that story. It's not about depriving yourself, it's about refining. The beauty of a capsule is that it works just as effortlessly when it's blazing hot or freezing cold. Imagine opening your closet and seeing only pieces that mix and match beautifully. Fewer options, but each one earns its place. Suddenly, every outfit feels intentional. That's when elegance comes naturally, when your wardrobe is a thoughtful edit, not a jumble. Whether you're pulling on breezy linen in July or wrapping up in wool in December, your style stays consistent, cohesive, and calm. A capsule wardrobe simplifies getting dressed while amplifying how polished you look. And the secret? It doesn't care about the season. When you build it wisely, it works beautifully, no matter what the weather says. The only 3 summer dresses you truly need. Summer can tempt you to chase endless trends and prints, but real capsule style asks for less, not more. 3 dresses thoughtfully chosen will carry you through the season in effortless elegance. A crisp linen shirt dress feels light and breezy for errands or brunch, cinched at the waist for shape and rolled at the sleeves for ease. The slip dress adds instant polish, taking you from sunny afternoons with flat sandals to candlelit dinners with heels. And then there's the structured day dress, simple lines, breathable cotton, enough polish to wear to work yet relaxed enough for a picnic or wedding with the right sandals and earrings. These 3 balance comfort with sophistication. Anything beyond this often gathers dust, while these 3 rotate on repeat, proving that true style isn't about overflowing racks but about choosing well and wearing often. Less clutter, more confidence every summer. Winter coats that never go out of style when the cold sets in. Most people pile on layers that overwhelm instead of refine, but winter is where a capsule wardrobe shines. With outerwear, you don't need variety, you need quality. A timeless wool coat frames your silhouette without fuss, instantly elevating jeans, dresses, or tailored trousers. Choose neutral shades that outlast trends: camel, charcoal, or deep black. Then there's the wrap coat, soft yet structured, cinched to your shape for an air of cozy elegance. For milder climates, a wool blazer does double duty as outerwear and a layering piece. Smart enough for meetings, yet easy over weekend knits. A few well-chosen coats mean no trend chasing, no waste, just warmth wrapped in timeless style. And when you hang these staples at your door each season, they'll remind you that true elegance is consistent and unbothered by passing fads. Summer to neutrals, color palettes that work in both seasons. A smart capsule wardrobe lives and breathes through its neutrals. These shades bridge warm days and chilly nights without looking out of place. Soft whites and ivory pieces freshen summer linen, shirts and flowing skirts but slide seamlessly under oat knits or camel coats when winter arrives. Camel and warm taupe create richness whether draped as a trench in spring or a sweater dress in fall. Slate gray and charcoal anchor your look with cool, timeless depth, blending easily with lighter summer pieces or heavier winter layers. And navy remains the quiet hero, styling effortlessly as a breezy summer dress or a warm turtleneck under a structured blazer. The secret to a seasonless palette: choose 4 to 6 core neutrals that love each other. They'll carry you through seasonal shifts with grace and save you from clashing colors that complicate your closet. The power of a white shirt, hot and cold styling tricks. No capsule wardrobe breathes sophistication quite like a crisp white shirt. It's your anchor piece, the blank canvas for any look. In summer, its cool cotton feels fresh and airy, tied over skirts, knotted at the waist with linen trousers, or tossed over a dress for a beach dinner. When days grow shorter, the same shirt becomes a layering master, peeking from under a chunky knit, tucked beneath a blazer for work, or worn loose under a thick cardigan for laid-back polish. The right white shirt has structure yet softness, good cotton poplin that keeps its shape. It never droops or looks messy but always adapts. The beauty is its versatility. It elevates casual and complements tailored. When indecision strikes, start with this shirt. It's not basic. It's the heartbeat of a wardrobe that stays elegant through every season and every sudden plan. Effortless layering, from beach cover-ups to wool wraps. Layering isn't just about adding warmth. It's about multiplying what you already own. Done right, it turns a handful of clothes into countless outfits. In the heat, light layers like sheer kimonos, oversized linen shirts, or open button-ups add dimension while letting you breathe. They bring depth and texture without sticking to your skin. Come winter, layering turns strategic. Thin base layers, fitted turtlenecks, or chemisette, close to the skin under crisp shirts, structured blazers, or long coats. You control warmth without looking bulky. Think slim to loose, light to heavy, with a hint of each layer visible. A cuff, a collar, a flash of hem. This layering isn't accidental. It's calculated elegance that looks as good as it feels. The secret: fabrics that move, colors that flow, shapes that skim, never swamp. That's the layering mastery that makes a capsule wardrobe shine 12 months a year. Your perfect capsule jeans, from summer sandals to winter boots, no piece works harder year-round than a perfect pair of jeans. Capsule elegance means saying goodbye to trendy cuts that age fast and yes to denim that flatters and lasts. A straight like mid-rise pair in a medium or dark wash sits at the sweet spot, casual enough for summer days but polished for winter layering. In the sun, cuff them with slides, a tucked tee, and a straw bag for that timeless, easy look. When temperatures drop, tuck them into ankle boots, add a soft knit and wool coat, and watch them anchor chunkier pieces without adding bulk. Skip de-stressing and extreme washes, they limit you. Instead, invest once in denim that quietly lifts every outfit, letting shoes, tops, and coats do the talking. Great jeans in a capsule aren't loud, they're your reliable canvas for every season's styling mood. Knitwear that translates across seasons. Yes, really many think knitwear belongs to the chillier months only, but the right knits work all year when chosen wisely. Lightweight cotton or linen blend knits make breezy summer evenings feel chic. Throw a cropped cardigan over a slip dress, or drape a sleeveless knit tank under a blazer for cool dinners by the sea. When the air turns cold, knits step up. Ribbed, cashmere, merino sweaters, and structured cardigans hug without bulk, layering undercoats while keeping you warm and elegant. Neutral hues, oat milk, gray camel mean every knit pairs well with your other staples. A slim turtleneck under a blazer adds polish. A chunky knit over a flowy skirt balances softness with shape. The magic of great knitwear: its texture, comfort, and that quiet sign of luxury. No logos needed. Just beautifully crafted softness that makes you feel wrapped in calm confidence year-round. The art of transitional footwear, 3 styles for 12 months. Shoes hold the power to make or break a capsule wardrobe's promise of simplicity. The trick is finding 3 timeless pairs that work through every season's shift. A polished loafer, or minimal flat grounds, spring and summer looks, then slides under wool trousers and tights in cooler months without looking out of place. An ankle boot becomes your anchor when days turn frosty but also complements airy dresses when styled right. For warmer days, think bare legs, a light dress, and suede boots for a touch of contrast. Finally, a simple strappy block heel or elegant slide stays fresh for warm days but layers beautifully into transitional months when styled under tailored trousers or with longer skirts. Skip bold embellishments. Choose leather, neutral hues, and sleek lines. With these few shoes, you'll feel ready for every calendar invite, rain or shine. Capsule accessories: how to elevate every outfit without buying more accessories, are the punctuation marks of a capsule wardrobe. Tiny details that transform simplicity into style. Choose them well, and your wardrobe feels endless. 1 pair of clean gold or silver hoops, a slim pendant necklace, and a classic watch are all you really need for everyday shine. A sleek leather belt shapes a shirt, dress, or cinches a blazer, instantly adding polish. Scarves bridge seasons, effortlessly squares in summer tie around your neck or hair, while chunky wool wraps in winter soften heavy coats and add cozy depth. When it comes to bags, 2 or 3 is plenty. A structured tote for daily duties, a crossbody for errands or evenings, and a woven or textured piece for playful personality. Keep tones neutral, details subtle. These aren't just add-ins, they're your signature. Repeated intentionally, they become your quiet style stamp that says, "I thought this through." Silhouettes that flatter in both heat and chill. A timeless capsule wardrobe is built on silhouettes that flatter, no matter the season. The right shapes adapt easily from warm to cool days, helping every piece work overtime. A high-waisted wide-leg trouser in breathable linen feels light for summer but transforms in winter when cut in wool or layered over thermal tights. A soft tuck of a crisp shirt or knit adds shape without fuss. Midi skirts, another staple, strike the perfect balance. Bare legs and sandals in summer, tights and ankle boots in winter. Structured shirt dresses and wrap styles define the waist and layer easily under blazers or coats as temperatures drop. These shapes aren't trendy, they're foundational. They highlight your figure, create movement, and ensure you never feel frumpy when swapping sandals for boots. Silhouettes like these prove that true elegance isn't seasonal, it's thoughtful, flattering, and quietly adaptable all year long. The 5-minute summer to winter outfit swap. A smart capsule means never packing away your favorite pieces for half the year. Instead, you reimagine them. That crisp white shirt tucked into high-rise beige trousers with slides is your summer uniform, cool and effortless. In winter, slip a slim turtleneck underneath, switch trousers to wool, and swap slides for sleek ankle boots. Add a tailored camel coat, wrap a tonal scarf. Grab a leather tote. Suddenly, you're warm, polished, and season-ready in minutes. Even a summer slip dress can become a chic winter look, layered over a fitted long sleeve and tights, cinched at the waist, topped with a cropped blazer or chunky cardigan. This is the magic. You're never starting over, just layering smarter. A capsule wardrobe makes weather feel like a styling twist, not a burden. In just 5 minutes, what worked in July feels just as right in January. Less stress, more style. Elegant fabrics that breathe and insulate. Fabrics are the backbone of a capsule wardrobe. Get them right, and every piece flexes naturally between seasons. Summer loves airy linen, cool, crisp, and easy to layer under knits when the air chills. Linen blends reduce wrinkles while adding drape. Cotton, poplin, and twill stay crisp and timeless, pairing well with blazers or soft wraps. Silk and matte satin feel delicate for hot days but slide smoothly under chunky knits, adding a hint of luxury without bulk. For cold months, merino wool and cashmere do the heavy lifting, warm yet breathable, polished yet cozy. Tencel and modal blend beautifully into soft tees and base layers that never feel clingy. Prioritize quality over quantity. Well-chosen fabrics make simple pieces feel elevated and practical at the same time. When your wardrobe breathes in summer and insulates in winter, you're not fighting the season, you're flowing with it, all while looking elegant. Summer capsule staples that work in winter. Layers. One of the best secrets of a well-planned capsule is that summer pieces rarely need to hibernate. A linen shirt dress you lived in all July transforms under a soft turtleneck, cinched with a belt, finished with warm tights and boots. The sleeveless silk blouse that felt like sunshine alone. Tuck it under a tailored blazer or wool cardigan. Suddenly, it's the perfect lightweight layer, never bulky. Lightweight cotton trousers find new lifitudes. Just add thicker knits on top and swap your sandals for sturdy boots. Even a sheer button-up or open weave knit can be layered cleverly. Wear it under chunkier sweaters or over slim thermals. The trick is pairing light with heavy, fluid with structured. A capsule wardrobe doesn't banish half your closet when the leaves fall. It simply shifts pieces into new roles, proving that truly elegant dressing is about making what you have do more, not buying more. Winter staples styled light for summer nights. Just as summer dresses find life in winter, winter staples can feel surprisingly fresh when temperatures rise. A fine knit sweater draped over your shoulders on a breezy summer night adds a touch of quiet luxury, especially in soft neutrals like ivory or oatmeal. That cashmere cardigan, usually your cozy winter layer, transforms when slipped over a satin slip dress on a cool patio evening. Keep it unbuttoned, sleeves pushed, vibe effortless. Structured blazers aren't just for cold days, paired with tailored shorts, a silk cami, and slides. They bring polish to rooftop dinners and city strolls. Even suede ankle boots, styled with bare legs and a floaty dress, add unexpected depth without overheating you. The trick is in contrast, balancing cozy textures with airy cuts. Roll the sleeves, leave collars open, show some skin. When styled with intention, your winter favorites whisper summer elegance, not heaviness. Packing light. Dressing rich. Travel capsules for every season. Travel can expose the best and worst of your wardrobe planning. Overpacking adds stress. Underplanning leaves you feeling underdressed. A smart capsule solves this with intention. Choose 3 or 4 neutral tones. Think ivory, beige, navy, or black, and add one accent color, like muted rust or sage to keep things lively. In warm destinations, linen shirts, crisp trousers, a silky tank, and one versatile dress cover every need. For cooler trips, swap in a soft wool coat, a merino sweater, and boots that look chic but handle a cobblestone stroll. Limit shoes to 2 pairs, one for walking, one for dressing up. Accessories. Pull double duty to a scarf. That's a wrap. Simple jewelry that works day and night. When your suitcase holds fewer pieces that each earn their place, you travel lighter and look richer. No scrambling, no regrets, just effortless elegance, wherever you land. Where to invest. Pieces worth the splurge in both seasons. A capsule wardrobe is about purpose, not penny pinching. Some pieces deserve your investment because they shape how everything else looks and last longer than fleeting trends. A classic, coat wrap in camel. A sharp trench. A timeless wool topper sets the tone every time you step outside. Great trousers, cut just right for your shape, elevate basics and adapt to any season's styling. Real leather shoes and bags age gracefully and instantly polish your outfit. A cashmere knit or merino turtleneck is worth every penny. Breathable. Warmth in winter, luxury layering come spring. And a well-fitted blazer. It turns jeans and a tee into an intentional look, season after season. True investments don't shout. They whisper quiet confidence and timeless taste. When you buy better once, you buy less often and every outfit feels extraordinary without needing to try so hard. Affordable elegance. Looking looks on a budget. All your elegance isn't the privilege of deep pockets. It's the reward of mindful choices. A capsule wardrobe built on a budget still radiates polish when you prioritize fit, fabric, and finish. A $30 blazer tailored at the waist looks richer than a pricey piece that doesn't fit. Stick to neutral tones like camel, navy, ivory, and charcoal. They instantly look more expensive and pair seamlessly. Hunt for quality cotton shirts, linen, blends, or soft twills instead of synthetic shine. Seek timeless cut-straight trousers, classic skirts, minimal dresses. Thrift shops and second-hand platforms hide treasures. A vintage wool coat or leather tote can outclass fast fashion any day. Accessorize lightly but intentionally. Simple, gold hoops, a structured belt, a clean bag. When you dress with care, budget elegance feels like quiet luxury. True style was never about the label, it's about how well you wear what you have. Seasonal mistakes that make capsules fall apart. Capsule wardrobes fail when seasonal imbalances sneak in. Too many airy tops and no solid layers make winter mornings tough. Too many heavy knits leave you overheating by spring. Another trap. Ignoring the power of layering. If your summer tanks are too flimsy or your knits too bulky, you'll struggle to bridge seasons. Trendy prints can be fun, but limit mixing. Keep bolder patterns to scarves or accessories, not your core pieces. Don't forget to rotate accessories, too. A straw tote with a wool coat feels mismatched. Textures must align with the season. Transitional months, those awkward weeks between seasons, often need the most planning. Mid-weight layers, smart fabrics, and timeless neutrals keep your capsule working when weather can't make up its mind. The secret is staying intentional, editing regularly, and remembering that fewer pieces do more when they're chosen to flex with life, not fight against it. Build less, wear more. The 10-piece challenge. Imagine dressing for a whole season with just 10 core pieces. It sounds daunting, but it's a powerful test of how well your capsule works. Pick items that truly serve your life: a crisp shirt, tailored trousers, a slip dress, a soft knit, a structured blazer, perfect jeans, a timeless coat, simple flats, boots, and one statement piece, like a silk blouse or wrap skirt. Suddenly, your mornings get lighter. Every item works double duty. Each combination feels intentional. You'll see which pieces you reach for again and again. What you never really needed. The 10-piece challenge isn't about deprivation. It's about clarity. It teaches you that elegance doesn't come from more options but from wearing the right ones well. Fewer decisions, less clutter, more confidence. Season after season, true capsule style makes your wardrobe lighter while your presence feels effortlessly full.